Hi folks, well we may have found my unicorn that I've been looking for a few years now. Wanted one since I was 12. Never been able to find one that wasn't totally rotted out and rusty, because let's just face it, the model I'm looking at is known for being rusty. But I don't know, finally got the go ahead from the lovely lady wife to go have a look at something. So I'll head over there now after work and we'll grab the camera and show you guys what's over there, and we'll see how good it is. See you soon. Okay, so it was a 1973 XA Fairmont, factory V8, numbers matching Cleveland, and running gear under the car still. Motor runs, a little bit tired, but the whole thing looks pretty damn solid, considering what people are asking lots of money for lately that really just isn't a decent car. So, yeah. Wife gave us the go-ahead, and we now have a 1973 XA Fairmont 302 auto. So it's only a really short one today, but we go to pick it up tomorrow afternoon. So as soon as we can, we'll get it home, give it a clean up, and give you a good run through it. Thanks guys, bye.